This is my Morse code reader. The way it works is when this IR sensor, when it breaks on the black line here, it powers on a PMOS, which acts as an inverter. This PMOS then powers on a 555 timer astable circuit in the 50% duty cycle mode, which then powers on a speaker. So when it detects a Morse code, it flashes a light and emits an audio signal. This is the signal that is sent out when my 555 timer is powered. As you can see, it's at 50% duty cycle, and I reduced the frequency by a factor of 10 so the noise wouldn't be so high-pitched. I did this by adjusting the capacitor on the 555 timer. I had two major issues with my circuit. Firstly, when I connected my 555 timer reset pin to my PMOS, it wasn't working properly. It wasn't turning on and off. As it turned out, it was my breadboard that was faulty, so I quickly got that fixed. And secondly, as you can see, this NMOS is no longer connected to my circuit. I initially thought I needed it, but as it turns out, it's not needed anymore. Otherwise, it works pretty well. The phrase I want to send out is this, which is Elab is fun. Now let's see a demonstration.